everywhere. I used to hate going to school, but I don't go there anymore, and I still hate it even though I'm not there. And I hate kind of because it's the wrong place sometimes. It's like fucking car off. I hate blind. Even though I can see sometimes I'm blind. I hate that. And I think I hate you. That's alright, you can probably hate me.